and welcome to today's tip. Now I've got some just ordinary cotton here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap it around my 4 fingers about 4 times, quite loosely, not too tight. And then what I'm going to do, just going to trim it off, and I'm going to position it on. Now I've already just got a little bit of pink paper here, just left over from some acrylic work, and I've just stamped best wishes in the middle there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my circle of cotton or thread, cotton thread, whatever you want to call it, around the best wishes. I'm going to get it in place and make sure it's large enough first before I stick it down. Now I might go a little bit larger. I'm just going to sort of slowly loosen it up a little bit. Once you're happy with it, and it does take a little bit of time to get right, just add, I've got some fine tip glue here, and I'm just going to, around the circle that I've just made, just a thin circle of glue. And now I'm going to very, very gently just sort of let it sit. I don't want it all sitting in the glue because then it changes the fluidity of the cotton. But you'll end up, just tuck in any edges, with this lovely circular, it's a very modern kind of theme at the moment. Look how lovely that looks. And here I've done a get well card with the same theme. I did it a lot larger with that one. So I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I hope you can make some use out of it to make some beautiful cards, and I look forward to seeing you next time.